Now we're gonna install a package here. Spray it down with some water. Seems like they'd be somewhat compatible with a vacuum, you know? You got it? Yeah, these things are full. Take the cork out. Pop a hole in the sugar side without damaging the queen. She's got her attendees with her. Yeah, they're gonna let her out. That sugar's real soft.
Right.
Okay, she's in there. Cool. You want to dump it?
No, go ahead.
This one really cleared out, huh?
Yep, that one's almost clean.
I didn't see a lot of dead bees in the bottom. Yeah. So maybe if we slide these things back a little bit, then we can set the things on it.
What's that?
You're good. Alright. Do the next one.
Is she in the truck? She's in your truck.
That's cool.
You need that.
See, there's barely any dead bees in there at all. They said they packaged them, they've only been in here one day. They packaged them yesterday. Which I don't understand that, really. How they take to the queen that quickly.
Oh no, there's a cross with her actually.
Is there?
Yeah.
Really? Where?
Pretty sure there's a cross member through the center. Yeah, there is.
Okay. they are on this one. Okay, you can just cover it if you want. She's a bit darker. A little bit different than the other ones. See her?
Oh yeah, wow.
Alright. That little bee's fired up. Cool. Seems like a lot more bees in here.
Stuck to this mesh on this. There you go. That's the trick right there.
That's about it. We can let them join as needed. Okay. I wonder if we should leave these out at all. You know, they're going to have plenty of syrup.
Yeah, all we can do is just set them on like the edge of the table, let it'll run out on the table. And
Or pop a hole in it and dump and mix it with the other one.
I don't have a can.
I got a knife. Let's see what we got. See if we can put these frames back in there. Yeah, beautifully, right?
You want to move your camera?
Yeah.
Maybe when we open the next one, you can look down there.
Yeah. Excuse me, guys. Girls.
I'm not gonna be able to put too much in here because it's on such an angle.
I think it'll be, yeah, it'll hold a gallon before it fills over that thing.
That'll be in my pants.
Do you?
Yeah.
I think it's Laura's concern. Ooh, this is a syrup, huh?
In my leg hair.
You can feel it, huh? Oops. That's the only thing is we gotta cover it before they get all crazy. Alright.
I'm gonna go get the pant.
Alright, you take care of that. I'll take care of this. Huh? I'm sorry. That worked nicely. Cool. Yeah, I think for as few bees as they are, I might even clear the opening a little bit. Right in my shoes. Okay. Excuse me, guys, gals. And they should start building comb within 24 hours. They're gonna. Okay.
Luke's homemade feeders.
They're pretty nice, right?
Yeah. That's really thick, what they mixed.
Yeah, that's. I bet it's straight corn syrup, man.
Oh, probably. You think 1 gallon's enough? For that?
I do. Okay.
Something's leaking.
Oh yeah?
Because it's running out the front.
It's probably got to be the front can, right?
No.
No?
It's coming from inside the hive.
Well. How hard is it leaking?
Well,
Completely?
yeah.
Well.
Leaking from the front somewhere.
That ain't good, right?
Must be caulk or something.
I've got aquarium sealer
But I
in
don't
my
think
truck.
We can't get to it because it's. I don't think there any aquarium sealer got in that front corner there.
No, I think you're right. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, if you see this one. Is this the first one I built? I think it is. I think this is the first one that I built, and that it was caulked afterwards, and I just caulked the edge. What are we gonna do about it?
Well, see,
I could reach up underneath it and seal it like that. The sealer, let me close this guy out.
pour this into.
This one? Yeah, let's pour it into this one as soon as I get this one set up, okay?
Look, that corn syrup doesn't mix with the water almost. So it's just laying in the bottom.
Let's turn this thing. Get some bees underneath it. Where's the top cover? Let's just get this top cover out here. Okay. This one's done. Can be sealed. This one we're going here. Probably edit that part out.
Yes.